We've finished our breakdown sheets and we've moved on to the board. Let's take a look. Before we go any further, move on over here and let's take a look at our header board. Now let's get up close. It says up here page count and scenes, and if you track across you can see this page count is 1 page, 4/8 of a page, 4/8 of a page, and here's the scene numbers: 170, 171, 172. Down here we see interior, day, and look at this green strip, interior night, just like the colors that we assigned the strips. Down further we see it says Space Needle. And finally we're into this list of lines. Now what do these numbers stand for? Well, you already know that because you created them. Here are the characters in a list, and Sully has the board ID of number 1. So this number here is the board ID that we gave him earlier. And whenever we see the number 1 on a strip, well, we know that means Sully. Remember, Hannah was number 2. Well, look again. Every time we see number 2, that means Hannah's in the scene. You usually have the title somewhere up in this space here. Then you have the director, the producer, the assistant director, and then the script date. Below I also track extras and vehicles in this section. And then I have the synopsis. So let's take a look at the synopsis, for instance, of the last strip we just did. It says dance floor, everyone they know is there. So here's what you get on that last breakdown sheet. You get the page count, the scene number, interior night, Space Needle, all of the cast members, no extras noted, although there probably will be some extras, but that's a conversation with the director that we'll have later, no vehicles, and the synopsis.